Midnight, you've been asking some great questions. Here's your latest one. Hi, Logan. If you get put into CNC, currently non-collectible status, can you still apply for an offer in compromise at a later date? The answer, Midnight, is yes. Absolutely. If you get placed into currently non-collectible status, you can still apply for an offer in compromise at a later date. And in fact, sometimes that is a great strategy to stop the bleeding, so to speak. So if a client comes to us and let's say their bank account is being levied or their wages are being garnished, and if they qualify for CNC and an offer in compromise, well, what we're going to do is we're going to get them in CNC first to get that levy released, that wage garnishment released, because that can be done relatively quickly compared to an offer in compromise. That's a quicker negotiation. CNC negotiations are generally quicker negotiations than offer in compromise negotiations. Okay, and then once we stop the bleeding, get them in CNC, we'll create a lien. Okay, but at least it will release those levies and protect them from levy action. Then we can start working on the offer in compromise. Right, so that is something that we routinely do for clients who happen to qualify for both CNC and an OIC, and it's a great question, Midnight. Thank you for asking. If anyone out there has any questions you'd like to ask about tax relief or anything like that, please leave them in the comments. I do enjoy answering them here on my YouTube channel. If you would like a free tax relief consultation with one of our tax consultants, you can give us a call here at Choice Tax Relief at 866-8000-TAX, or visit us online at choicetaxrelief.com. Fill out the form on our website, and we will get back to you. Here are some other tax relief videos for your viewing pleasure and your education. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.